Then we can start on this evening's debate of the EIF, which is, I'm sure, is going to be so interesting. Well, let me just first of all say hello to and welcome to this evening's debate to all the EIF members, the MEPs which are today with us, of course to you all in general, and a warm welcome especially welcome to our guest of honor, Fadi Jehadeh, President and CEO of ICANN. Probably you all remember that in late 2012, Fadi Jehadeh was appointed ICANN's CEO, and she built a strong executive leadership team, I must say, that transformed ICANN from a Los Angeles-based organization to one with a global presence with staff in 25 countries and services offered in 7 languages. You all know, but just let me mention, just in case, that ICANN is a global multi-stakeholder, not-for-profit private sector organization that manages Internet resources for the public benefit. It is best known for its role as technical coordinator of the Internet's domain name system between different actors and the technical community. And today it is a real privilege to have you, Fadi, with us to talk about Internet governance and notably about the IANA stewardship to our transition process. Indeed, in the coming months, I am sure you know as well, the historical role played by the US government will pass on to the global multi-stakeholder Internet community. Consequently, tonight we have a great opportunity to know about the state of progress in this transition, the timeline towards the implementation of the new system, and discuss the future shape of ICANN. Well, you don't need further introduction, Fadi, so after your presentation later on, I will invite our friend Megan Richards from the European Commission to share her views. She doesn't need as well any kind of presentation in this forum. And first of all, we are going to start with starter, and then later on, Fadi Jehadeh will have the floor in the first place, as I said, and then will be Megan Richards. So please enjoy the starter, and then we can go later on with the speakers. Thank you very much.